Hey y'all, so in this bowl there are about 5 squishy bananas. I added some peanut butter, extra crunchy flaxseed flour, sugar-free syrup, and some actual flax seeds. I put that all in a pan along with about 2.5 cups of dry oatmeal and put in my wet mixture. These bananas pretty much disintegrated, so they was ready to just like melt. I went to go ahead and mix that on up. I added some imitation vanilla, some ground cinnamon. I got this recipe off YouTube, so I kept having to go back and check. But I mixed this up and check to just make sure I was using all the ingredients. This is what it looks like when you forget the Clabber Girl baking powder. Just add a little bit there and continue mixing, but that's not gonna make much of a difference. I also added in mine, I didn't see this in the original recipe, some apples. I just buried them babies, just sunk them on down with my knife, covered them up as best as I could. If I sound funny, guys, it's because I'm a little stuffy. I've been sitting under the AC, but this is how it looks after it's been in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. I'm just touching it here to see that it's solid. I cut me a slice and just wanted to try it out. This is fresh out the oven, but this is how it looks. Look like I see some hair. No. That's just actually the oats and the apples and the walnuts and the flax seeds and everything else. But this was actually good. Once I spruced it up, I actually show how I spruced it up in one of my shorts. You guys can check that out. But that was the next day. For this day, I ate it plain. It was all right. Not too bad.